I'm just going to jump straight into it. It's saving money every Monday. Monday is not a very exciting day for most people. It is for me because when the market opens back up again after the weekend. But for most people, it's kind of the end of the weekend, kind of going into Monday. Oh, I've got to go back to work, etc. Back to my 9 to 5, which is completely fine. That's understandable. So let's go ahead and make Mondays a little bit more interesting. What we're going to do is put a little bit of money in. It can be a very small amount to start off with, but just to get that habit moving, just putting $5 or $10 or pounds, of course, in every Monday into a separate bank account or a pot. Personally, I use a separate bank account because it keeps it separate and it keeps me from looking at it. So obviously with the pot, it's there in your bank account already, so you'd be tempted to look at it. So I keep it in a separate bank account and I basically gamify it. So for example, I'll put in say £50. This is a pure example, of course. Put in £50 on one Monday. The next week I'll put in £5 more or £5 less. So it'll be £45 or £55. And by doing this, it keeps it interesting. And obviously after about a month or two, you see that kind of amount go up. You're not exactly expecting the kind of mental math of what it would be, because it would be slightly different than that. It could be slightly more and it might be slightly less. So if it's slightly less, it might drive you to put more money in every Monday. And if it's slightly more, you might pull back for a few weeks or so and enjoy that money to go out with a couple of friends or something, or buy something on Amazon. But this way, obviously, it does keep that flexibility within the saving. Now, of course, I want you to continue saving every month.